Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get eternal sugar cookie very fast. First, ensure your butter is perfectly softened. This makes creaming with sugar incredibly quick and smooth, saving you precious minutes. Next, don't overmix the dough once flour is added. Just combine until barely incorporated. This prevents tough cookies and keeps your process moving swiftly. Finally, prepare your baking sheets with parchment paper for easy transfer and cleanup. To truly speed up your sugar cookie production, efficient dough preparation is key. Start by whisking your dry ingredients together in one bowl, then add your wet ingredients to the dry mixture. This method minimizes overmixing. Instead of flouring your surface, roll the dough between two sheets of parchment paper. This eliminates sticky messes and makes cleanup a breeze, keeping your cookie-making process incredibly fast. For rapid baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees F. Place your cutout cookies on parchment-lined baking sheets. This prevents sticking and ensures even baking. Bake for just 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Immediately transfer the hot cookies to a wire rack to cool for at least 5 minutes. This quick cooling step is crucial for maintaining their shape and preparing them for fast decoration. To achieve an eternal supply of sugar cookies, consider freezing pre-portioned dough balls. You can bake them directly from frozen, adding just a minute or two to the baking time. This allows you to have fresh, warm cookies whenever a craving strikes, without making a full batch each time. Store any baked cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, ensuring a continuous, fast supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.